to assemble the Sprouterie Diaper Changing Pad.
Once the sponge pad has fully expanded, take out the vegan leather cover. Fully unzip the cover and turn it back to the front. Fold the sponge pad in half and insert it into the cover, aligning its top curved edge with the covers. Pull the rest of the cover over the sponge to fully enclose it. Ensure the logo aligns with the center of the bottom curve. Turn the changing pad over and zip it to thirds. Leave a third unzipped. Turn to the front side and adjust the cover. Adjust the cover's curved edges to align as closely as possible with the sponges. Smooth the concave surface and press out any trapped air for a snug fit. Then zip completely. Turn it back to the front, fasten both safety buckles. Adjust the length of the safe belt. Installation completed.